welcome. I'll be showing you the system that I developed. It's an accounting ERP system that I developed. I'll be walking you through some of the parts of the system. First of all, I'm going to log in into the system using my email address. This is the email address I'm using, and then the password is also there. I've already pre-populated it so that I don't bore you guys. I'm now going to click on login. So currently the system is being used by Slamax Energy. Let me log in. Okay, so let me close this. So the first thing that you see in the system is the home page when you log in, and as you can see, it shows the name of the company that is using the system and the name of the person who's logged in. This is me, George Nyama. This button is for logging out. If I just click it, it will log me out of the system. Let me log back. I'll save these details in the browser. Let me log back in. So we're back again. The dashboard features a number of summaries. For example, it shows you the number of users that are in the system. Currently, we've got 4 users. The number of user rows that we have in the system. Currently, we've got 7 user rows. The number of products that are in the system. We've got 6 products. The number of purchase orders that we have made in the system. Currently, we have made 7 purchase orders. The number of customers that we have listed in our system. Currently, we have got 5. The number of quotations that have been issued by our system, that we have issued in our system. Currently, we have got 8. The number of invoices that we have generated to customers in the system. These are 6. So out of the 8 quotations, we have created 6 invoices. And then the number of transactions that have been made in the system are 18. So these are transactions like payments, purchases, and the like. And this table just shows you a graph of maybe the sales. So you can be able to advise how we can be able to add more features based on what you want. And then here on the menu, you can see a number of options. And the first one is the administration. When I click on administration, I can see rows, users, and location. So this is where I can be able to do those functionalities. Let me go into rows so that you can be able to see what happens in rows. When I click on rows, it shows me all the rows that are in the system. We're about 7 rows. So and then there are rows and also permissions. So for example, maybe the row account has got these permissions, sales and transactions. The manager row has got a permission for sale. The IT manager has got permission for users, location, customers. The sales row has got these permissions. So there are different types of rows and then also permissions. And here we also have actions to view, edit, and delete. Let me just add a new row to the system. So I'm going to add maybe a driver row. Maybe permissions just to maybe I'm going to give him permission for sales, which is this item here. And then I'll maybe also purchases like that, so they can see, I think maybe inventory like that. So once we add, as you can see, they are like that. So I'll submit. As you can see, the driver row has been created here with a slug of driver. And these are the permissions. I've got sales and inventory. If I click on the view, I can be able to see more details. So this is the ID of the row, this is the name of the row, this is like, and these are the permissions. I'll click back. Here I can also edit. If I want to edit a row, I can be able to edit it like that. Yeah. And then once I'm done, I can submit. Let me go back. Another part is that I can be able to delete this row. Let me delete it since I don't want to. And the confirmation comes, which to ensure that we really want to perform this action, I'll delete. So that row has been deleted. So that's on user rows. Another part of the system is the users. So users, as you can see, there are a number of users in the system, and each user is assigned a row that we're just from creating, and even those permissions for that row are here for that user. So I'll create a new user like that. So in the new user, I'll put a full name, I'll say like that. The email, I'll say like that. Okay, password. For now, we have got password, but then this thing will be removed so that once we create a user, the user will create a password on their own. So for now, I'll just do this. So this will be out of the system soon. And then the row, I'll give this person a sales row. And then the permission, now I can tick which permissions I want for this person. I'll say, okay, maybe they can just add a quotation. And then I submit. Okay, the password is giving us this thing. So okay, let me try one more time. Or password confirmation does not match. Let me I'll use this password. I don't even know it. So let's see. Alright. Admin. I say sales. And this is what we wanted. I think now they should match. Okay, they match. And this is the user that you have created. And this is the row they have. And then when I click here, you can view the details and the permissions like that. Back. I can also edit. I can also edit, and that may be this part. And submit. And then that thing has been added. And then I can also delete this user. Like that. You want to delete this, and I click yes. That user is deleted from the system. So that's on users. The next part is the locations. So locations are just places where we have our stores. For example, maybe we can have a store in Lusaka, in Kapiri, like that. So I'll create a new location. Let's say maybe the name of the location. Let's see, maybe Chongwe office, like that. And then we submit. I'd made a mistake. Okay, it's supposed to be Chongwe, but then we can view like that. So this is Chongwe office, and then we can edit it so that it will correct the spelling. Chongwe office, that was deliberate, so that you can see the edit, as you can see. And then we can also delete it like that. Okay, so that has been on the administration module. We have looked at roles, users, and locations. So next we'll be looking at the account settings. Thank you very much.